In this video, we are going to discuss about the sterility assurance and survivor curves. The term sterile means no surviving of any organism. From the survivor curve, it can be presented, and from this curve, it can be seen that elimination of viable microorganism from a product is a time-dependent process. This particular process is influenced by rate and duration of biological action and the initial microbial contamination level. It is evident that true sterility is represented by zero survivors. This situation can only be achieved after an infinite exposure period or a radiation dose. Then sterilization process will guarantee sterility. So this particular survivor curve is when the microorganisms are exposed to a killing process, population of microorganisms lose their viability. This can be represented graphically with a survivor curve. This is drawn as a plot of log of fraction versus exposure time or the radiation dose. Here, a line represents a linear portion, which may indicate that this process is continuous. B curve, here we can see a little curve and then it is going downwards. So it is indicating that this particular process is modified by an initial shoulder, while that of C is having a lower curve here. It indicates a reduced rate of killing at low survivor levels. So short activation phase may be seen during the heat, representing an initial increase in the viable count. Survivor curve have been employed principally in the examination of heat sterilization methods, but can equally, that is, applied to any biocidal process. Expression of the resistance is nothing but the resistance of an organism generally expressed in terms of D value and the Z value. So D value is nothing but the resistance of an organism to a sterilizing agent, which can be decreased by means of the D value. This D value is nothing but a time taken at a fixed temperature or the radiation dose to achieve 90% reduction in the viable cells. The calculations of D value may be obtained in a linear curve. In microbiology, a sterilization process, the D value or decimal reduction time is the time required at a given condition or set of conditions to achieve a log reduction, that is, to kill 90% of relevant microorganisms. This will be known as D value. So here we can see the examples of some species that Bacillus stereothermophilus is having. The D value is 1.5 minutes. So that means for this particular organism, 1.5 minute, in 1.5 minute we can have 90% reduction of this particular species. Then Clostridium sporagines, it requires 0.8 minute, then Bacillus subtilis 5 to 10 minutes. So this particular these are the D values for resistant bacterial spores. Now next we will see the Z value. This Z value is nothing but the increase in the temperature needed to reduce the D value of an organism by 90%. So suppose this is a D value, this is D value, so this D value is reduced, that is 100 to 10. So this log reduction is nothing but the Z value. For heat treatment, a D value only refers to the resistance of a microorganism at a particular temperature to obtain the influence of temperature changes on thermal resistance. A relationship between temperature and log D value can be developed, leading to the expression of a Z value. The Z value for some examples, that is Bacillus stereothermophilus, the Z value is 10 minutes. Bacillus subtilis is not having any particular value, but at 22 degrees Celsius the Z value is depending upon the temperature, but it may be considered constant over the temperature ranges used in the heat sterilization process. So overall, this Z value and D value are the important terms in case of determination of sterility, that is for the sterility assurance, where D value is appropriate to the process. So the D value and Z value are essential for assurance, that is the microbial safety index, which gives a numerical value to the probability of a single surviving organism which is remaining as a contaminant in the processed product. For the pharmaceutical products, most frequently applied standard is that after sterilization, probability of non-sterile unit is less than 1. That means 1 million. So 1 in 1 million is, or less than 1 in 1 million is the ideal value when we are considering the non-sterile unit. The sterilization protocol with any given organism of known D value is established by having the inactivation factor. So this inactivation factor is equal to 10 raised to 10 raised to T upon D, where T is the contact time and D is the D value. So this D value must be appropriate, and this inactivation factor is also required for the sterility assurance. The sterilization process will therefore need to produce sufficient lethality to achieve the cycle reduction in viable organisms. This will require exposure of the product to 8 times the D value of the reference organism. The inactivation factors associated with certain sterilization protocols and their biological indicator organisms are priorly discussed in the previous video. So these are the details of the sterility assurance and the survivor curves. Thank you.